Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about the half subtractor. So subtractor is a circuit which helps to subtract one number from the other number. Let us see the block diagram and the gate diagram of half subtractor. So this is the block diagram, half subtractor named as HS. Two inputs A and B, and the differences and borrow are the two different outputs. Okay, so this is mentioned using the gate diagram. We know that difference is always founded by the XOR gate. Okay, so now A and B XOR value is given as the difference output, and for the carry the inputs are from A bar, which is here bubbled over here, and this is B. Okay, so A bar B is the carry, A bar into B is the carry output. Okay, let us see how this equation is formed from the truth table. Let us first draw the truth table for the half subtractor, and for that we need to know the rule of subtraction. We know that 0 minus 0 is 0, there is no borrow, and 0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow 1, because we are subtracting a bigger number from the smaller number. We have to get a borrow from the next bit. So 0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow 1, and 1 minus 0 is 1, there is no borrow, and 1 minus 1 is 0 with a there is no borrow. Okay, so for this we have to draw the Karnaugh map. So how the logical expression is formed is difference is formed by the XOR between A and B, and borrow is done by A bar B. So how to get this equations? Let us see how it is done using the Karnaugh map. This is a simple rule of subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 1 is 1 with a borrow 1, and then 1 minus 0 is 1, there is no borrow, and 1 minus 1 is 0 with no borrow. Let us see how to draw the Karnaugh map for the given truth table of the half subtractor. So the truth table is drawn here, and there are two outputs, difference and borrow. So likewise we have to draw two different K map, for one for difference and another for the borrow. So his for D, this is the Karnaugh map for difference, and this is the Karnaugh map for the borrow. We know that there are two variables A and B, so there are two power 2 combinations, which is 4, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now we have to fill the Karnaugh map. So the Karnaugh map is named as A bar A and B bar B. Okay, and for this difference column, position 1 and 2 has 1 value, remaining are 0. So this is the position 0, 1, 2 and 3. So 1 and 2 has 1 in the position from the truth table. Other position are 0. We can leave it without even entering the values. So how to find the equation? Here there is no possibility of forming any group. We know that in a Karnaugh map we can form a pair, a quad or a singlet. Maximum we can make a quad in a two variable Karnaugh map. Okay, so here there is no possibility of combining the ones, because these ones are not adjacent to each other, they are in the diagonal position. We cannot combine the ones in the diagonal position. So this singlet has to be formed separately, and this is then another singlet. So you have to write the equation for singlet 1 plus singlet 2. So what is this position? What is the equation? A bar into B. Okay, so this is the singlet A bar into B, and for this singlet we have to say A into B bar. So summing up, we are having A bar B plus AB bar. This is the expression for XOR gate. So we can simply write as D is equal to A XOR B. Same way we have to draw the next Karnaugh map for the borrow column. So borrow column has the value only 1 in the one position 1. So this 0, 1, 2 and 3. Only the position 1 has the value 1. Remaining 3 positions are 0. So draw the Karnaugh map A bar A, B bar B, and one position is 1, which is the first position 1. Okay, so A bar B has the value as 1 position, others are 0. So we have to write the equation for this singlet, which is A bar into B. So the carry is formed by A bar into B. So that's all the equation for the difference and the borrow we have got from the Karnaugh map. So that's all the simple logic of how to use the half subtractor to find the difference between the two numbers.